Michael. Let's keep trying to feed you here. No. There we go. Messy little guy. Michael. Jeez, buddy. Jeez. You're just going crazy here. He's going crazy. All right, Michael, come here. Want some more food? Here. Probably should have some of this, buddy. Here. You need to wash down that food you've been eating. Come on. You just want to make noise now? Is that it? Just want to make noise? Okay. Okay, hold on. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, buddy. Okay, looks like you don't need to burp yet. So let's try some more food. Want some more food? Are you done eating? You ate a lot of that food already. Here, want to try some more? Okay, I guess maybe you're done for now. And that's okay. Less food to spill everywhere. On my pants, on my socks, on the pillow. Michael. See that little boy in the camera there? It's muy dragón, okay? Oh, man. You know what? It's going to be okay. All right, Michael. You're done eating. Okay? Here, you want to chew my finger? Here. Okay. You've eaten. You drank water. They changed your diaper. Oh, I can hear it. I can hear. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, Michael. Yeah. Yep, been making these sounds last 2 days. There you go. Chubby cheek. Chubby cheek. Like that? Like the bouncy? Oh, you seem to be a little more calm now. It's good. Take your chew toy away for a sec. Yeah. At least you ate. Oh, spoke too soon, didn't I? I spoke too soon. I'm going to put you to sleep soon. Okay, I put you to bed. Oh, man. Are you looking at the camera now? You want to look at the camera? Say hi. Say hi, Mama. Hi, Matt. That's what it sounds like. Starting to sound a little bit like Mama when you say it. Yep. 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 Don't you want something? Yep. That's my little guy. Oh, there we go. There we go. I feel better. Done burping. Oh. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Ah. Okay. Okay. No, you're not ticklish enough yet. You're not ticklish enough. You need to ticklish over here. We're not going to do that right now. You just ate. I'll be a good daddy. Ah, buddy. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.